Students often overlook the science department at Emerson College because of its small size, but some still choose to minor in the subject. Allison McMorrin is one of them.
I would argue that it's a little bit small and we need more. Like, for example, I took a class during the summer outside of Emerson because I really wanted to take an astronomy class, and we don't offer anything like that here.
But the size of the department doesn't bother Professor Wyatt Oswald. He is one of 4 full-time professors working within the department. In the past 2 years, Professor Oswald has been working on a research project where he tracks the effects of global climate change on urban environments. By using a camera located on top of the Walker Building, Professor Oswald is able to track the changes of foliage in the Boston Common. He uses this camera individually as a part of a national system of cameras called PhenoCam. With the data he has collected so far, he is able to compare 2 pictures of the Common taken on April 4th from last year to this year. In the pictures, there is already more greenery seen in the pictures taken from this year's from last. Oswald uses the help of his students to collect data in his plant and people class.
I have students go out for field trips every Friday and actually collect some on-the-ground data that is, in a sense, sort of ground truth the images taken by the camera.
Each student is assigned their own tree and assesses the coverage of leaves, flowers, fruit, and other things for that tree. Those observations are then turned into proportions. For example, if there are 30 trees, 10 of which had a greater than 50% leaves emerged, then it would have a proportion value of 33%. By looking at these graphs made by the students, it shows that the flowers come out before the leaves. This makes it easier for flowers to be visited by pollinators without the leaves being in their way. Bentley Holt, a student in the Plants and People class, shows the tree he collects data on.
Well, it's mine, so it's the only one that is in the common, I guess, symbolically. And yeah, that's what I think. It's special, but I'm probably biased. A lot of what this class is observation. Now we're walking around the common and public gardens and looking at trees, and it's been a lot of fun.